Let's take a look at using Microsoft 365 Copilot in Outlook. Before we begin, go ahead and click subscribe for more Microsoft Copilot tutorials. Let's start by navigating to Outlook.com. Let's select New Mail to start composing an email message. Above the message window, you will see the Copilot button. We are given a drop-down with options to draft with Copilot or coach with Copilot. To start, I will select Draft with Copilot. This provides an option to help me write an email. I go ahead and ask it for some assistance in writing a thank you email for some coworkers. Copilot begins generating my email draft. Once it's complete, I get the option to keep it, discard it, or retry. After reading it, I decide to retry for a new draft. Once again, Copilot starts to create my draft. You will notice I also get the option to choose the previous draft Copilot generated. I want to try another Copilot draft, so I am going to discard this example message. In this example, I want Copilot to help me get a project status update. Copilot goes ahead and generates my email draft. This time, I'm going to keep this draft. Copilot places it automatically in my email body. Now I want to use Coaching by Copilot to see if it has any suggestions for me on the email draft. Copilot begins to analyze the email. Once Coaching by Copilot completes, I start to see some coaching options. I first get some suggestions to sound more friendly. Second, I get some suggestions for engaging readers more. Lastly, I get some suggestions to add more clarity and details. Now I can also close out of this coaching session and select Copilot again to coach my email draft for some potentially new ideas. This time I get some different suggestions from Copilot. That's it for this tutorial on using Microsoft Copilot in Outlook. Thanks for watching.